Hello friends, how are you doing? Lucy Milton here, and I'm back again with another interesting video. If you're new here, karibu sana. Please feel welcome, appreciated, and I don't take you for granted. I know you're going to enjoy this content. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And for my premier gang, my gang, thank you so much for always being here. Thank you for always sticking by my side. I thank you, and I don't take you for granted too. Yeah, so today's video we're going to show you the days in my life, what you've ate, and my Mother's Day gift, guys. We are going to unbox it together. So here I was making some dinner, my previous dinner before the Mother's Day, and enjoy, guys. Enjoy. What is this? What is this, baby? Oh, you got it heavy. Kai, Sunembe, happy Mother's Day, Baba. Oh, thank you. You're telling me thank you. Oh no, open. Put it down. Hey, open. Okay, put it down. Open. Take it to mommy. Oh yeah. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, my love. Oh, open the gift for mommy. I open. You help me open. Put it down. Let's open. Tell daddy to give us scissors. Oh. Say happy Mother's Day. Guy, I want to open, Craig. Ni yangu nakasirika. Woo! Craig. Fungua. Oh, thank you. Good job. Oh, it's a weighing scale. Oh, wow. Mtoto ni mjanja. Oh no, stand again. Wow, good job. High five. Oh, high five. Oh, anaona ijaandika numbers, ndo bado unasema oh no. Happy Mother's Day, guys. I've just woken up, guys. I think you can just tell by my voice and my face. And yeah, I got my gift for Happy Mother's Day. Yeah, and this time, thank you for making mommy a son. I love you. You love mommy? You love me? So yeah, guys, that is my gift. Actually, I think you can remember from my last video I had said that I want a bathroom scale, like a weighing scale. We went to China Square and we didn't get it, so I think the man listened and he got it for me. I'm so happy and grateful. And it's on a Sunday morning, so I had just woken up to make breakfast for my little one. Oh, okay, thank you. Okay, asante. So I was making some porridge for the little boy, and yeah, I got my surprise. So happy Mother's Day, guys, to you. If you're a mom to be, a woman who wants to be a mom, and angel moms, we can't forget you. Please, let's celebrate everyone. It's a happy day for us mothers, and we take not for granted. We thank God for this day, honestly. And it's not easy being a mom, honestly, guys. It takes a lot of grace, a lot of love, and a lot of sacrifice, because honestly, guys, you sacrifice your body, yeah, because it doesn't get back. Let's just be honest. Once you get a mom, once you become a mom, you get a child, and you sacrifice a lot of time. Anyway, if you decide to become a mother, you need to be ready for all that, right? Yeah, so I don't think it's an issue to discuss about, because you already know. If you want to become a mom, you know it's a life. It's a life what? A life what? It's a life, nimesahau hiyo word imepotea kwa kichwa. Commitment, exactly. It's a lifetime commitment. You have to commit yourself, you have to commit your time, you have to commit yourself physical, mentally, emotionally, you need to be there and everything, yeah? You don't just get a child, a kid, and you forget about them and you continue with your life. No, it doesn't go like that, yeah? Because that child did not decide to come by his or herself. Huh? So every mom, because we're talking about moms today, yeah, let's be responsible. I know we are moms are responsible. I don't know what I'm talking about, but what I'm saying is happy Mother's Day to all of you guys, to all of you moms, women who want to be moms, angel moms, and moms to be. Happy Mother's Day. Hooray! I love you so much. Yeah, so let me give my baby some breakfast, then we can continue with our day, right? Yeah, so it's on a Sunday and we're preparing to go to church. It's around 8:14. Yeah, here's the breakfast. I want the porridge to cool down. Yeah, still hot. So for us, we usually take food for breakfast, honestly, guys. But yeah, that's what we eat for breakfast. Yesterday made rice na inakaa tu ugali. Sijui mbona. I don't know why it looks like ugali. But yeah, I think I didn't measure water. I just estimated and put water, and yeah, that's it. So let's prepare for church. Guys, I also got myself something. Let me show you. You can see it's written here, Lucy Maina. Yes, that's my name. That's still my name, guys. So I got this bag. This one. Well, it's quite small, not compare when you compare with the picture. Honestly, guys, the picture that I ordered with was much bigger, but it's okay. It's okay. I'll still work with it. So it's that one. The quality is not that bad. It's okay. By the way, the quality is okay. I don't mind it. So it doesn't have a zip. It's just like that. So this one will be perfect when I go to church, because it's going to fit in the diapers, the wipes, and baby snacks. Yeah, because that's all I carry when I go to church, and a notebook and everything, guys, my phone. So yeah, that one. And this one. So this one is just a small sling bag when you just don't want to carry a lot of things. So here is the sling bag. Well, I'm not mad at the quality because it's thick, but the size, guys, the size, well, I'm quite disappointed by the size, guys. Yeah, because when you compare what you see at the picture, the photo, but the quality is nice. So this one has something, this one, the buckle, and just like a small bag, guys, and a zip, nothing much. Okay, it has two zips here inside and another one. Yeah, so those are the bags. So there, you can see the size. This one is quite small, but at least it's big inside. It's going to fit a yogurt, maybe an apple or two, and banana, because that's what my baby loves snacking on. Yeah, and maybe my phone. And it's just like a small bag you get. Yeah, and this one, the Christian Dior. Paris. Christian Dior Paris. We started carrying brands, but wow. Cheers. So, melon. Sindai melon. They're from the soko and I'm making ugali. Like literally I've cooked ugali early in the morning. It's around I think 9, 10 there. And yeah, I've already cooked ugali. Now I'm cooking the greens that you've seen I have gone to buy. And I just can't wait. I'm craving like avocado and some greens. Actually nimekatiwa, so that makes it so much easier. And actually I was the first customer because guys, it's that early. You know, the soko is just right here, so I was looking for her, for the seller, for the vendor to open. So nilikuwa nashinda tu like I'm peeping, nashinda ai kwani she's not opening because I had seen she had already come from the market. So I kept on checking. So immediately I saw her, hey, I ran because you know she may have some other errands like maybe washing clothes or anything. I didn't want to risk that because I'm craving ugali, skuma and avocado. So I've already made the ugali. Here it is. Hot. Hey, hot. I'm salivating, guys. And some scoop. So this is spinach, kales, terere. Terere is what? Aramantha or something in English. And yeah, I think that's it. And the avocado. So yeah, let's cook and enjoy our breakfast. Here is our tea. So I've already put it there to boil. And here is our tomato for our skuma, for our greens. So let me put the greens. So guys, here is my meal, my breakfast. Looking so good, right? Hey, these greens, I can't wait to indulge. So yeah, guys, that's my breakfast. I get you a flower. Love you. You're welcome. Oh, that's enough. Don't pluck another one. Usikate. Let's go. So, mommy. Twende baba. So guys, I'm going to get my nails done. Look at them. So I cut them already, but they have really served me. So let's go get our nails done. My nails. My nails. I'm done with my bath. Feels so fresh and relaxed and clean and yeah. So I can't believe what I've got this boy doing. Hey, my God, Craig, ulikuwa unangoja tu nitoke hapa? Oh God. No, here, sir. Oh God, I don't know if this bedsheet is going to get clean, but we're going to try. So guys, I think that will be it for today's video, and if you've watched till this point, what can I say? Thank you so much. I don't take you for granted that you always take your time to watch me and enjoy my content, interact with my content, like and share and comment and all those good stuff. Thank you so much. Please feel appreciated, yeah, and I don't take you for granted. Please, let's see you on the next one, right? Bye bye.